Well, here we go again. I've just ridden here and I've fucking got soaked. Anyway, sorry for the language. Look, lower elbow for the radiator and new manifold gaskets. And here are the core plugs, large core plugs. Got a couple of spares because you never know what's going to happen, and one of those. So there we go. Big job ahead. So here we are. Just in the process of knocking these bloody things out. What fun. Radiator came up, not radiator, fan came up nicely. Well, first one's out and it's not good. These were meant to have been done. In fact, I even got the bill for having been done not that long ago. One freshly rebuilt radiator. Well, I'm fairly fed up, really. All of the gaskets that I ordered don't seem to fit. There's like one seal that is correct. Everything else is wrong. So, everything's everywhere. Core plugs are in. That's one job done. But there's going to be very little progress today, unfortunately.